Okay, here's a quick tutorial on how you can withdraw money from Payoneer. So first you want to link a bank account. So we want to go to bank accounts and then we want to go to bank accounts for withdrawal. And right here you have to link your bank account and it needs to be approved before you can actually withdraw money. So after you have linked your bank account, then what you do is select this withdraw and transfer. And then you will select this option withdraw to bank. So from here it will show you the bank accounts that you have linked, and you can select the balance, which currency you want, US dollars, euros, Great British pounds, so whichever ones you have set up here. You have to write an amount that you want to withdraw, as well as a description for why you are withdrawing it, and it will appear in the transaction. So after that it will make you review all of the information and just confirm that you are withdrawing the amount that you have selected right here. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.